I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and what an absolute pleasure it is to be in conversation with the good people here at Herzing College and the Toronto campus. I'm enjoying the conversation because I'm talking to people that are changing their lives and making a difference in the world. Why don't you introduce yourself, tell us what you're up to.
Hi, sir. Thank you so much for being with me today. And my name is John. Hi, my name is John Junio, and I took up immigration case manager with internship. And I graduated last April 12th this year, and I'm so happy and privileged that I graduated at Herzing College.
John, tell me about your initial experience when you decided to come to Herzing. Like, what was that whole experience like for you?
Thank you so much for that. What a great question, sir. Actually, there's a lot of colleges, schools offering ICM. I checked in Google, and I tried to check the review because I want to study that the right school, that can give me learning, can prepare my career path to become, working as immigration case manager. So it was so very interesting when I saw that. I saw one review to Herzing College, and it says that instructors are knowledgeable, and most of their graduates now have good job. So to that point, I decided, what about I will call Herzing College and inquire about this ICM course. So, and thanks God, and things been positive go through, and I've been enrolled and graduated as ICM. I'm so happy.
That's fantastic, John.
Oh, yeah.
You talked about that review said the instructors were very knowledgeable.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me about your experience with the instructors.
At the very first, it was like a very big adjustment on my part because it's been a long time that I've been, in school. I think way back 2002. And now after how many years I come back to school, but with the kind of teaching method, the way the instructor, the professor, do the teaching, oh my goodness. It's like step by step.
Yeah.
He or she really guide me, and my classmates, to adapt and to learn more about the course. It was really great, sir.
Wow.
Fantastic.
And your program included an internship. Talk to me about that.
Yes, that course was really a good, was really very interesting to me because, after your graduation, the school, assist you to find a, workplace that you can practice whatever you learn in the school. And it was remote, online. But, when I worked on that internship, it's not really that hard to me because why? The learning what I'm learned inside during the school, during the studies, during that 9 months period, I was really, practice easily on my workplace. It was very great, sir.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing now? What does the future look like for you?
Actually, I also, getting interested to take this course, because I also, help a lot Filipino people in my community in Kitchener, asking my help to lobby and talk to immigration consultant, and I am the one become a bridge to them, to answer their queries, how to process their visa like that. So I said to myself, how about if, I will really study, not really immigration consultant, but just, to assist the consultant, doing this kind of preparing documents for visa application, talk to the clients. What about taking this course? So that's why I decided to take this course, and oh my goodness, it was really privileged to me, having this kind of education now. And if I have planned, to move and take an immigration consultant course, why not? Also, I am also planning, because in my studies, this ICM, it involves laws, case law, citing laws. I'm also planning to take paralegal,
Oh, good.
And hopefully I can make it, just to help me, give more knowledge, to handle this, to make myself prepare in my journey on this career path that I don't know I'm taking right now.
John, it sounds like a beautiful journey
yeah.
you're on. I mean, what I love about this story was that Herzing helped you,
Yeah,
and now
very much.
you're able to help your broader community.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that fantastic?
Yeah, that's
what
really
does
great.
what does Herzing mean to you?
You know, Herzing is part of my life right now. I cannot reach this far, you know, having this kind of knowledge, preparing documents for visa application and talk to the clients. Oh, what's your case? Oh, I know that one. I will refer to you to my consultant. And, you know, it's like, it's give me more, you know, give me more better life. As I treat this one, Herzing College is my first best friend now in, you know, helping me to really reach my dream, you know, to help people, maybe later to become a paralegal, and soon maybe to become an immigration consultant. How I wish.
An absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you.
Thank you so much, sir. It is my great pleasure, too.